To get started, just create a simple room. Once it's done, let's create the new level. Go to the top menu, select Plan, click Levels, and select Add Level. Now a new level tab appears on the top of your plan view. The plan view becomes white because the new level is empty. Walls from the below level appear faded for reference. To create floors on this level, just select Create Walls button and draw some walls above the existing one. If you want, you can even copy the entire first floor layout. To do this, just select and delete these walls, then click Level 0 tab. Here, select everything you want to copy. Click Ctrl C, then switch to level 1 and paste them. Now you have the same layout and objects on the second floor. Change the materials and colors on this level for better visibility. If you work on the second level, keep in mind that walls and furniture need a floor underneath them. This means if you place furniture or draw walls in an area without a floor, they will appear to hang in the air. Just go to the toolbar, select Create Rooms, and create a floor around this furniture. If you want to add the third floor to your plan, click this plus button next to the level tabs. Select Create Walls tool and draw a wall on the third floor. You can also create a room inside. Apply some materials or colors for better visibility. If you want to edit your levels, double-click on the Level tab. In this dialog box, you can rename the level, and you can adjust its elevation, floor thickness, or height.